In today's video, I'm going to show you how to safely and efficiently withdraw your funds from your Safepal wallet directly to your bank account using your mobile device. Let's dive in. So first, open the Safepal app on your mobile device and ensure you are running the latest version for the smoothest experience. Once inside, look for and tap on the swap or sell option. This is where you will convert your cryptocurrency into traditional fiat currency. Choose your desired fiat currency such as US dollars, euros, or GBP. Carefully enter the exact amount of crypto you wish to convert. Take a moment to review the current exchange rate and any associated fees. Once satisfied, proceed with the conversion. You'll receive a confirmation notification once your crypto has successfully been converted to fiat. Now, return to your wallet overview. Tap on the withdraw or send option. From the available withdrawal methods, select bank transfer. Input your bank account details, or if you have previously linked accounts, simply select one from your saved options. Enter the precise amount of fiat you wish to withdraw to your bank. Before finalizing, thoroughly review all withdrawal details. This includes the amount, your bank information, and any final transaction fees. Tap confirm to initiate the transfer. Remember to add in two-factor authentication to ensure security for your assets. Your bank should receive the funds within the designated processing time, which can vary based on your bank and region. And that's it. With these steps, you can confidently withdraw funds from your SafePal wallet directly to your bank. Thank you for watching this video.